Hello children and parents. I'm Amy, I'm from America. You are with me on long English vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. Now, we begin the lesson with a long vowel, O. The lesson, O, E, is most suitable for children, at the age of 6 to 10, and it should be supervised by adults, who can speak English. Remember that, material code, which can be found at the bottom, represents each lesson. Primarily, our consultant will ask for the code, before we can answer your questions, no matter how you make inquiry, by text message, or by phone call. The next slide will show you the content of this lesson. The lesson of the long vowel, O, will start with an ABC song, followed by Identify English vowels. Listen to English vowel song. Watch and repeat. Listen, point and repeat. Practice. Listen and chant. Review the long vowel, O. Finally, listen to a long O, U, and A song. Now, listen to ABC song.
Let's sing the alphabet, A, B, C. Can you sing the alphabet from A to Z? A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
G, H, I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M, N, O,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
P, Q, R,
S, T, U, V,
S, T, U, V,
W, X, Y, Z.
W, X, Y, Z.
Now we know the alphabet, A, B, C. We can sing the alphabet from A to Z.
Thank you. Now, identify English vowels. You must listen to the instruction very carefully, before you begin. Instructions. Tick all English vowel sounds. You have 30 seconds to do this exercise. Do not pause the video, because we give you the exact time to do it. And, we will tell you how many seconds you still have. You must start to do it, now. You still have 15 seconds to do it. Thank you. Please, check your answers on the next slide. The answers: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's enjoy a song called MacDonald Has a Farm.
Old MacDonald had some vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And on his farm he had an A, E, I, O, U. With an A here and with an O here and an there. Here an O, there an everywhere an O Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. And on his farm he had a U. A-E-I-O-U. With a U here and an there. Here a U, there an everywhere a U. Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U.
Thank you. Now, watch and repeat.
This is a home. What's the middle sound in the word home?
O.
That's right. O. Home. This is a home. What's the middle sound in the word home?
O.
That's right. O. Home. O. M. Home.
O. M. Home.
B. O. N. Bone.
O. N. Bone.
O. N. Cone.
O. N. Cone.
R. O. P. Rope.
R. O. P. Rope.
Thanks for watching and repeating all the words. Now, listen, point, and repeat.
1,
O. M. Home.
O. M. Home.
2,
B. O. N. Bone.
O. N. Bone.
3,
O. N. Cone.
O. N. Cone.
4,
R. O. P. Rope.
R. O. P. Rope.
It's time to practice, now. You must listen to the instructions very carefully, before you begin. Instructions. Look at the picture. Then, match the letters to make a word of the picture. You have 1 minute to do this exercise. Do not pause the video, because we give and show you the exact time. And we will tell you how many seconds you still have to do it. You must start to do it, now. You still have 30 seconds to do it. You still have 10 seconds to do it. Thank you. Please check your answers on the next slide. The answers. Number 1. Rope. R-O-P-E. Number 2. Cone. C-O-N-E. Number 3. Home. H-O-M-E. Number 4. Bone. B-O-N-E. Listen and chant.
Home, 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 home. Rope, 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 rope. Home, rope, home. Rope, rope, home, rope, home. Rope, rope, home, home. Rope, rope, home, home. I hop. I hop. I hop over. I hop over. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home.
Okay, review the long O sound. How do you pronounce this?
This is a home. What's the middle sound in the word home?
O.
That's right. O. Home.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please check your reading and matching on the next slide.
O. M. Home.
O. M. Home.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please check your reading and matching on the next slide.
O. N. Cone.
O. N. Cone.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please check your reading and matching on the next slide.
B. O. N. Bone.
O. N. Bone.
How do you read this word? Then, match to the correct picture. Thank you. Please check your reading and matching on the next slide.
R-O-P. Rope.
R-O-P. Rope.
Now, listen to long vowel O, U, and A song.
I seek Duke, I seek Kay, they sail in May. They sail in the bay, in the sun and the rain. They sail in May. I see Kay, I see Duke, they walk in June. They walk the mule at 5 o'clock, pull on the rope, hum a tune. They walk in June.
I see Duke, I see Kay, they sail in May. They sail in the bay, in the sun and the rain. They sail in May. I see Kay, I see Duke, they walk in June. They walk the mule at 5 o'clock, pull on the rope, hum a tune. They walk in June.
Let's sail on the waves. Everybody walk the mule. Pull on the rope. Hum a tune.
Well, here is the end of the lesson of the long vowel O sound. Visit our website to find out more useful lessons. Please help like our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video and practicing all exercises. Thank you.